Good morning, children. Let me take a lesson for 10th standard. This is health and diseases. So, it's about us. Then what is meant by health? Then how the diseases are formed. Maybe the diseases may be hereditary or else due to the surrounding we may get it. So, everything we have to see in the lesson detail. And before getting into the lesson, this is general. That is child abuse. You know nowadays, the babies, even whatever the age may be they are, if it is a girl baby, even from the age of 4 and even though they are 60 years old also, ladies are torturing by the men. This is common nowadays. In Tamil Nadu, we are somewhat safe side. In northern side, you see lot of the abuses cases. So, who is the main reason for the abuse means? The people, those who are close to us, not the unknowns. Mostly the child abuse mainly, the people who are well known to them. Maybe the child is very familiar with them. She used to talk, she used to play with them. Because the children, they may not know what's the seriousness, no. So, they feel like that, and by utilizing the innocence of the child, the male people, they behave differently. That is known as what? Child abuse. And we have to see what is the abuse, how we have to prevent from the abuse. Then what are the duties of the parents to safeguard the female child. So, everything we have to see in the lesson very detailedly. Clear? So, let us go for the lesson, that is health and diseases. First, you have to see abuse and types of abuse. Abuse, this is uses. Opposite to the use is known as what? Abuse. How it is misused? Abuse. What are the kinds of abuse we'll see? Abuse. What's the first one? Abuse refers to, what is abuse? What's the meaning of abuse? It is cruel, violent, harmful or injurious treatment to another human being. Not only female to male, male to female, or even male to male, or else whatever the torture you are facing, that is known as what? Abuse. That is the torture given by the other person to you in some other way. That is known as what? Abuse. That is harming you. So, எந்த வழியில் நம்மளை துன்பப்படுத்தினாலும் ஒருத்தர் இன்னொருத்தரை துன்பப்படுத்தும் போது, that is known as what? Abuse. It refers cruel, violent, harmful, injurious treatment of another human being. Maybe that is the powerful, mighty person may beat severely to the weaker person. This and all what? Abuse only. It includes physical, emotional, psychological, verbal, child and sexual abuses. What are the kinds of abuses? Maybe first one is physical abuses. That is, bodily we will be ill-treated by others. Next one is emotional. They are playing with our emotion. Emotion, that our unarchin solluvom namba unarvugal. Emotional abuses. Psychological. Mentally we will be affected by them. Be silent here. Psychological, verbal, and next one, child and sexual abuse. So, abuse, the cruel, injurious treatment of one person to another person is known as what? Abuse. That may be physically, that is bodily, emotional, with our emotion they are playing, psychological, mentally we may be affected by some other person, verbal, child abuse, the small children without knowing what's happening to them, they suffered with the thing, and sexual abuses. Okay, so these are the kinds of abuses. First we'll see what is then nowadays drugs, alcohol, tobacco, that have been increasing task marks. So, the people, educated people, uneducated people, laborers, higher officials, whatever may be, whatever the category they belong to, all the people they started to drink. In some of the countries, they can see in some of the states, even ladies also joining with the gents. Drugs, that is narcotic drugs, which is banned by the government. Bodhai porulgal சொல்றாங்க பாருங்க, that we are taking up. Tobacco, which causes cancer. Everything nowadays people are used. It's quite common nowadays to almost all over the places. First we'll see what is child abuse. First we have to see child abuse. Okay. What is child abuse? Because they are very innocent, they know what the things will happen to them. Because they are other people, those are injuring the child, they are utilizing the innocence of the people. The குழந்தைங்களோட ஒன்றும் தெரியாத ஒரு இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி, suppose if somewhat grown up, you can say what happened to you and will inform to your parents, this thing has happened, இவங்க வந்து இப்படி பண்ணாங்க அப்படி பண்ணாங்க, நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் பேரண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட, பெரியவங்க சொல்ல முடியும், குழந்தைங்க somewhat grown up children. But the innocent children, that is the age of 3 to 6 of 7, 2 to 7, this and all what innocent children, they don't know what will happen to them. So without knowing that, they will be involved in the thing. They will be forcibly, they will be practiced to that. This is known as what? Child abuse. Child abuse constitute all form of physical, emotional ill treatment, sexual abuse, exploitation, resulting in child's ill health. Because of this rude behavior of other person, the child's health will be affected. This is child abuse. So it is the duty of the parents not to move the child to be outside. Even though if it is outside, the parents should take care of the child. Sexual abuse is harassment. Harassment means what? Ill treatment from the power and dominant of one person over another. That is, maybe the ladies are weaker sex, they may be dominated by men. Even our own persons harming us also, it is sexual abuse. So whatever it may be, without the permission of one person, other person may not practice to them. This is maybe adolescent girls, that is a teenage girls. What is the meaning of adolescent? Teenage girls. They may be easily get into caught by the disabled words of the men. They will be telling some disabled words, because of that they will be attracted and they may do some wrong. That is wrong only. Okay. Then how to protect? We know what is child abuse and sexual harassment, you are seeing. Then physiological, mental, everything I said, emotional, this and that all. That is other person action, injurious, physically, emotionally. This is known as what? Abuse. So how we can prevent? How to prevent the abuse? What are the prevention for that? What are the preventive methods? What are the preventive measures? That is one, if it is child abuse, they can help child helpline. There is a number. How we are making contact with suppose in case of emergency or accidents, we are calling of 108 ambulance. We know the number. We must know the number. To call the ambulance, we must know the number. The same like child helpline. One society is there. By using them, they can call. That is, they provide social workers are there to protect the child. So we can make a call to them and they will come and rescue the child. And counseling of the child. Then after that, the child will be affected mentally. Physically like that. We have to send the child for the counseling. Counseling means what? Convincing that is nothing has happened, you need not worry. Counseling should be there. And family support. The child should be supported by the family people. Family people must not neglect them. Because without their knowledge, without their permission, something has happened means we should not neglect those children. We have to support them. And further, we can give the medical treatment to them. We have to give medical care. Because child will be affected physically and it's injurious. At the same time, she is everything. So we have to control. Then we have to take them to legal counsel. Legal, that is according to law. According to law, how we can take the action of the other person. Then in that case, the child does not come out from the fear. We can send to the rehabilitation center. Here the psychological doctors, the psychiatrists, they will talk to them and they bring them to the original position. And finally, community-based efforts. So these are the steps to prevent the child. Community means what here? Society. So child abuse, I said what is child abuse? How we can prevent them? By getting the help from the child helpline, even counseling, family support. We should not neglect the child, I said. Medical care we have to give. Legally, what action we can take against the person who did it. யார் அதுக்கு காரணமாக இருக்காங்களோ அவங்க மேலே என்ன லீகல் ஆக்ஷன் எடுக்கலாம். போக்சோ ஆக்ட் இஸ் there. And then rehabilitation center, we can, till the child does not come from the normal position, come to the normal position, we can take the child to rehabilitation center. They can they will get rid of all the fears and make the child to be normal. Then community should be supported them. Community, that is our society. Society should not neglect them. So, for that, we should advise the children. What are the things we have to advise the children? Do not talk to any suspected person or strangers and maintain a distance. Whatever it may be, a new stranger, even well-known persons with whom we are talking also, we should maintain a distance between us. Okay, we should not move them very freely. Free movement will give other person a chance to misuse us. Clear? So we should make a distance, especially our teenage girls. We should make a distance with others. Say same person means okay with the other sex. So even we are talking with our classmates or else other uncles, cousin brothers, nephews, over maybe we should maintain a distance. We should maintain a distance. The distance makes them to be alert. We should not be freely move with them. Then not to be alone with unknown person. Even unknown person or known person, whatever it may be, we have to be with them. You have to be with them among all the persons. You are alone with them means definitely that will give the chance for them to misuse. To be careful while traveling alone in public or private transport. Not to receive money, toy, gift or chocolates from the unknown persons. Not to allow a known or unknown person to touch them. We should not allow the person to touch. Whoever may be, either they are known person or unknown person. They have to talk from a distance only. Clear? These are the things we have to follow. What are the preventive centers? I said preventive measures. Maintain a distance. Okay. Next one. Not to be alone with the strange persons. Strange means what? New person. Even the known person also, you should not be alone. That's my policy. To be careful while traveling. Don't receive any gift from others. Chocolates, biscuit, this and all. Don't make them to, don't allow to touch. These are the preventive measures taken by the individual person. So now we have seen child abuse. Next we have to see drug and alcohols. Alcohols and tobacco. When you come to the drugs, this may be two kinds. One, suppose you are not well, we are undergoing for the operation. To relieve from the pain, doctor will give some drugs. So, on the operation on the pain markataka, doctor's medicines kudupanga, that we have to take for certain time only. Suppose in case, we have to continue after the period. Doctor said certain period. The 6 months, 1 year, the tablet. So, we feel somewhat relief. And we see that is, okay, and the tablets after namakku free ah going on continue. That is known as what? Addict. This is normal. This is abnormal. That is narcotic drugs. This is drugs. This is prescribed by doctors. This is prescribed by doctors for certain time. But we have taken for a long time. This is what is government banned. But we used. For example, sleeping pills. Sleeping pills, tablets. That is suppose because of the pain you cannot sleep, doctor will advise you to take the pills. Pills means what? Tablet. The sleeping pills eduthukonga, pain theriyama irukum, they will advise us. So we are taking for 10 days. Then the pain will be subsided. Namakku adu bali illama poiduchu, normal aidum. Sometimes we cannot sleep during night time. So immediately what you will think over, so why should we wake up like this? Better we'll take one tablet. It will be practiced. This is what? Addict. Whatever it may be, either it is prescribed by the doctors only for the certain time, not always. If you are taking the drugs, always means you will be addicted to that. Even taking of coffee, taking of tea, whatever it may be, particular time. Within the time you have to practice. So if it is 10:30, 11, after that the time is over, you are not getting a tea means slightly will feel headache, somewhat drowsiness. This is all because of what? We have become addicted to that. So whatever it may be, either it is narcotic drugs that is prevented by the government, even normal drugs which is prescribed by the doctors, it should be taken within the time only. We should not extend the time. The narcotic drugs should be entirely avoided. Okay? Then physical alcohol, 70% of the men are using the alcohol. They will say some reason. Maybe in the beginning they are not practiced to that because of the society, friendship, just to give the friendship, society, party la maintain pananum, appo maintain panna getta irukum. Like that some other languages they will say. They will be practiced. Beginning la chumma நம்ம touch பண்ணது, it will be practiced by them, and even though he wants to move from the away from the habit also, he cannot. This is known as what? Addiction, addict. Drugs, as I said, psychotropic drugs and mood altering drugs. Okay, so what are the psychotropic drugs? There are certain drugs called psychotropic which act as the brain and alter the behavior, consciousness, power and thinking and perception. Psychotropic drugs is the drugs practiced by us. First you are practicing, then it will be occupying the entire body under the control of the drugs. They are referred as mood altering drugs. உங்களோட மூடு நல்லா இல்லை, இந்த என்னோட மூடே நல்லா இல்லை, மூடு நல்லா ஆகணும் தான் இந்த ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்னு சொல்கிறீங்க. First it is practiced, then it will be occupied you. So this may be drug dependence. Once நம்ம ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணி அதை விட முடியாமல் போயிடுச்சுன்னு சொன்னால் அதை சொல்லுவோம் drug dependence. That is physical and mental as well as psychological. So for example, alcohol people, they are drinking persons. What are the things they have? So they have drop in academic performance, absence from schools and colleges. Suppose teenage persons, or 16, 17, because of the family circumstances, whatever it may be, you are practiced to the drugs. And even though you want to leave, it cannot be. So because of that, your performance will be affected. Regular attendance, class ku po mudiyadhu, class gavanikka mudiyadhu, will be disturbed. So lack of attendance. Then lack of interest in personal hygiene. ஸோ நம்மளை நல்லா ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும், நீட்டாக இருக்கணுங்கிற ஒரு ஐடியாவே இல்லாமல் போயிடும். ஐசோலேஷன், தட் யூ ஆர் செப்பரேட்டட், யூ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு மிங்கிள் வித் யுவர் ஃபேமிலி பீப்புள், யூ ஆர் ஆல்வேஸ் இன் த டிப்ரெஷன். Fatigue means what? Drowsiness and aggressive behavior, rude behavior. Deteriorating relationship with family and friends. We don't want to talk with the family people and friends. Change in the food and sleeping habits. Food எடுக்க முடியாது நம்மளால, we cannot consume the food, we cannot sleep properly like others. Fluctuation of body weight lose ஆகிட்டே போகும். You don't feel hungry at all, you don't feel hungriness, so poor appetite, always looking out for an easy way to get money. You are not going for work, so you want to get the money in some other ways, you are trying for that. Because of this, the alcohol consumption is continued. You have to suffer with the disease of hepatitis B, that is jaundice. So what we can do for the drug addiction? So we can give the person, we have to minimize the doses of alcohol, we have to keep them in the rehabilitation center, they can give the treatment to them, they are reducing, immediately they cannot stop the alcohol, that they have to reduce slowly, and that is, the dosage should be given. Then psychiatrists, they will be talking with them and they counseling them to avoid the thing. And then we have family members should support them, show affection to them and bring them back to the original position. Suppose in all these methods we cannot bring them back, you can send them to the rehabilitation center, they are given the proper treatment. So other things are there, we will continue afterwards. So in this lesson we have seen drug abuse, what is child abuse, sexual abuse, everything we have seen. Then how to prevent it, what are the society to prevent us. Then personally what you have to do. The drug abuse I said, narcotic drugs and common drugs, what is prescribed by doctor, alcohols and tobacco. Then we have to say tobacco, the abuses of tobacco we have to say in the other class only. So let me continue in other class, children. Thank you.